Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device so the shutdown goes smoothly. Make sure the battery is at least 5% to prevent restart loops, and remove any band that hides buttons. Next, wake the screen and identify the physical button or combination used on your T900 Ultra, typically a single side button or a long press sequence. This step ensures you know where to press. Once done, you can proceed confidently into the power menu, with no surprise. Now you'll access the power menu and select Shut Down. Press and hold the main side button for 3 to 5 seconds until the power options appear. This works because the firmware maps a long press to system controls. If the screen was locked, unlock it first so options are visible. Once the menu shows, tap Power Off and then confirm when prompted. Doing this cleanly closes apps and preserves data. If the long press fails, try a short press to wake, then long press again. Finish by ensuring the watch is fully off or performing a forced shutdown if necessary. If the normal power off won't appear, press and hold the side button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. That forces the MCU to cut power. Afterward, plug the charger in for 10 minutes and try powering on again to verify stability. If the watch reboots into errors, perform a settings reset only as a last resort. This clears firmware hiccups, but may erase paired device data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.